Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6.5 Tommy Mackinnon edition from OttoMobile. The car is well protected in this styrofoam box. The car comes in this plastic packet and also has a piece of butter paper protecting the paint job. OttoMobile is also very considerate for giving extra logos along with the car if the original one gets lost or damaged. So here's the car, which looks really nice. The headlights and the indicator are really well detailed and you can see the bulbs inside them. The Tommy Mackinnon edition license plate is very legible and all the different vents look really nice. The Mitsubishi logo on the grille is a metal sticker, the same one that I showed you earlier, and is really well detailed. There is a mesh for the grille and you can see the intercooler behind it. There is the Rally Art logo on both sides of the bumper. The wheels look really nice and they can roll freely, and the Mitsubishi NK and the Rally Art logos and also the lug nuts are really well detailed. The brake disc looks really nice, but I'm not sure if it's a photo etched part or not, and there is a Brembo branded brake caliper. The door handles are really well detailed. The rear wheels also can roll freely. There is the Mitsubishi logo on the end plate of the rear wing. The tail lamps are also as well detailed as the front ones and they look really nice and you can see all the bulbs in it. There is the same Tommy Mackinnon edition license plate as on the front. The Mitsubishi logo is a metal sticker, but the Evolution 6 and the Lancer logo are decals. There is also the Rally Art logo on both sides of the bumper. The stripe which runs on the side of the car looks really nice and the indicator on the fender is really well detailed. There is a vent on the right side of the bumper which is not present on the left side. The bonnet looks really nice and the windshield washer jets and the vents are really well detailed. There is a mesh for the vent as well. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster and they are very clear. The steering wheel also looks nice and the logo in the center is a decal. You can see all the different buttons on the dashboard as well. There are the Recaro racing seats which have the Tommy Mackinnon edition logo in the center. The weave of the fabric is also really well detailed. And those are the rear seats. There are the defroster lines on the rear windshield and the windshield wiper looks really nice. There is a 4-wheel drive logo on the bottom of the windshield which is a decal. And this is the passenger side of the car. The door cards are really well detailed. The gear lever and the handbrake looks nice and there is a yellow label in front of the gear lever which I'm not sure of what it is. You can see the dashboard more clearly from here. The front windshield wipers are also really well detailed. There are chrome inserts in the rear view mirror which reflect really well and they are also present on the IRVM. You can also see the sun visors on the headliner. The undercarriage does not have enough detailing on it but still looks good, and there is a limited edition model and this is car number 1239 out of 4000. The exhaust system is fully painted in silver and the exhaust tip looks really nice. There is also the third brake light under the rear wing which is really well detailed. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.